Soul Tribe. Thanks for finding me on YouTube. Hopefully we build a little relationship together and move forward with some positive change in your life. Today I'm going to be talking about finding your purpose and how you achieve that, what that looks like to each individual. The question is that we ask ourselves at different periods of our life, and this can change throughout our life because we all grow and change and things evolve for us, is are we living our true purpose? Are we really happy with where we're at? Does it completely make your soul sing and make you want to get out of bed every morning other than just to pay your bills? Is it for just the money you're going to your job, or is it actually you're doing what you love? Like from in here, can't just be from up here all the time. It's got to actually drive you forward and make you excited every day just to be alive and get out there and do you. Does it make you feel proud of yourself? Like, are you actually being true and giving your best to you, not just to your employer or with your employees? Like, even if you own your own business, is it what you really want to do? Is it the essence of you? This is important because then it doesn't really feel like work. We don't all get to do this, especially not when we have young children and we have to do the, let's call it the grind, but still you can always sort of find that little niche within yourself, make your heart sing. If no's the answer to all of that, then I guess maybe it's probably time for a bit of a change. So how do we decide, how to do this and what's the process to do that? It kind of goes in the stopping what you're doing and cutting out lots of things like distractions. It can be even your own mind. Let's call it the monkey mind. That's what I call it. It can really get in the way and play havoc with ourselves. What I think I should do versus what I really want to do. You got to shut that down and sort of go within yourself and have a little soul search and see what that means to you, which probably means changing a routine and shutting out lots of toxic things, which could be spending too much time in front of the TV, spending too much time on Facebook, social media, all these platforms that chew up our time and our energy and change our thinking, and that whole story of thoughts become things. Well, that's pretty real. And you can even on that sort of part of the process keep a bit of a journal as to where your thoughts are going, because from one week, 1 month, the next it could change, and just sort of see what keeps repeating itself for you and just do a bit of research on yourself and see who you were before you became this conditioned version of you. We've all grown up in different social environments which affect us greatly as to who we are. Standing here today in front of the mirror looking at ourselves, everything has affected us. Schooling, our parenting, our religions, our beliefs, our food we eat, the places we go, the people we hang out with, it all has a huge effect on who we are and who we stand in front of ourselves today. So the first thing to really do is start doing what makes you feel good, just go inside yourself and think, what really makes me feel good? What, once again, makes my heart sing and feel alive? Because that's what is going to be something that makes you feel worthy to yourself and worthy of the cause that you're trying to fight for. So you could also make a list of keeping in this journal I'm talking about. You could write in it who inspires you, like who do you admire in the world? Because if you surround yourself in thoughts of those people or the accomplishments they've made in their life, then you can kind of research that and see what they're up to. You also need to stop the negative flow of thought and think, what if this does work out? Everyone's so busy going, oh God, I can't do that, it won't work, and it won't make me money straight away, and you become full of fear and worry, and that just stops the flow, like boom, and really, really fast and really bad. And it's like blocking your own dream. Really, it's not cool, and it's not going to get you in the place that you want to be. I hope this video gave you a little bit of clarity about your new movement forward and direction in your life. Hit the like button, appreciate that. Share it with one of your friends if you feel like they might gain some clarity for themselves as well. That would be great. And I'll see you guys in the next video.